Have you ever lost your mind over a car blocking your driveway at 7 a.m.? Welcome back to Park Time, your daily therapy for parking frustration. In this episode, the boldest parking legends meet endings that are equal parts bitter and satisfying. Laugh all you want, but remember, the road is public space. Turn your convenience into someone else's problem, and your car might become the star of a very unforgettable response. Every engine is off, only gravity is still online. You parked and accidentally activated Final Boss mode. No need for a note, the feedback was delivered in person. Two cars didn't plan to meet, but now they'll never forget each other. Package delivery with complimentary vehicle relocation service. No roof in the lot, so he leaned on a palm tree instead. When your brain turns on after impact. Not traffic, it's a decision jam. Everyone was in a rush. The ending was not. A negotiation that required 0 words. Parked slightly wrong, so he left in a different car. A very creative car modification. No garage needed. Car status. Loading. This car isn't parked. It's practicing flight. Not car wrapping, public decoration project. You thought you had 10 centimeters? Turns out you only had faith. She didn't vandalize the car, she turned it into a community bulletin board. Not a parking lot, this is a balance training course. The handbrake has left the chat. The car still runs, it's just missing a few minor details. You parked with confidence, but the front wheel is being held. He's not escaping. He's performing survival parkour. Park like this, and you're going home with a story. No Google Translate needed. The message on the back says it all. Someone was terrified of scratches, so they wrapped the whole thing. Bought a supercar for highways, but it shows nature. The pink is sweet, the impact wasn't. The car isn't broken, it's just sweating under life's pressure. You thought you'd fit, but you fit a little too deep. The moment you realize your car has its own life goals. From afar, it's an accident. Up close, it's modern art. That moment you stand in the parking lot questioning your life choices. You step out normally, and the car starts living its own life. $1 million car, same old wheel clamp. Not an accident, just an ice water spa treatment. Safe distance is a concept. Here, we only have faith distance. The pickup isn't driving today. It's suspended, contemplating life. One miscalculation, and the entire windshield pays the price. A very confident attempt at measuring distance. At first glance, it looks like someone pitched a tent in the middle of the street. Forgot to secure it, now the whole lot turned into a bowling alley. Parking like no one else, the physics edition. Bystanders probably don't know whether to help or start recording. Not an SUV, but he wanted to try off-roading on concrete. Cars packed tight on both sides. He's standing there solving geometry. An unexpected team effort in the middle of the parking lot. Every car parked straight, except him, living diagonally against life. That's life, full of U-turns. Just make sure yours are smooth, not like the one we just saw. The road isn't your personal stage, so maybe dial down the circus act. What score are you giving that move? A 1 for execution or a 10 for bravery? Drop your verdict in the comments, hit like, and subscribe to Park Time for even more chaotic moments ahead.